Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all you crafting enthusiasts out there, the HTVRONT Sublimation sticker paper. Let's get right into it. This isn't just any ordinary sticker paper. No. This is the best sticker paper for waterproof needs available in the market today. What makes it so special, you ask? Well, let's break it down. First off, these stickers are not your average ones. They're designed to withstand the elements, whether it's rain or shine. That means you can stick them on your water bottles, laptops, or outdoor signage without worrying about them losing their charm. Another fantastic feature is how easy they are to use. With just a heat transfer, you can transform your designs onto these stickers, creating a water-resistant finish that's as durable as it is beautiful. And the versatility? Oh boy, let me tell you. You can let your creativity run wild with these stickers. From product labels to wall quotes, photo stickers to folder labels, there's no limit to what you can create. So there you have it, folks. The HTVRONT Sublimation sticker paper, the best waterproof sticker solution out there. Don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself and let your creativity soar.